Welcome to this masterclass. Note, let's jump right in, because today we're looking at a complete professional blueprint for turning your expertise into scalable digital income. Look, if you've ever wanted to build a business that operates entirely on your terms, monetizes your unique skills, and actually thrives in the modern digital economy, you are in exactly the right place. So grab a notebook and settle in, because we're about to literally build your future. Think about this for a second. What is the single most valuable asset in the modern economy? I'll tell you right now, it's not gold, it's not real estate, and it's definitely not oil. It's your existing knowledge. It's your ability to solve problems for other people. We live in a time where information is quite literally currency. If you know how to do something efficiently, I guarantee you there is an audience out there willing to pay you to teach them how to do it too.
Okay, let's dive into this. Think about selling physical products. You're dealing with a logistical nightmare, right? Managing inventory, paying for shipping, dealing with crazy manufacturing costs. But digital PDFs? It's a whole different ballgame. You create them once, you sell them forever, and they're delivered instantly. This completely eliminates all that traditional e-commerce friction, and honestly, it's exactly why platforms like Gumroad are the absolute perfect launchpad for your first digital asset. To get you there, here is the architectural flow for our note today. We're going from zero to empire by covering, first, the digital knowledge economy. Second, building your first asset. Third, the perfect product launch. Fourth, zero-cost marketing strategies. And finally, scaling with AI automation.
So let's kick things off with Module 1, the digital knowledge economy. A well-designed PDF that saves someone time, reduces their stress, or makes them money isn't just a document, it's a highly monetizable business asset. And what does it take to actually produce? $0. That is literally the cost of manufacturing, packaging, and shipping a digital PDF. Just think about that for a second. The profit margins are absolutely unparalleled in the business world. But I do need to warn you about the biggest mistake beginners make right out of the gate. They tend to create what they want to write about instead of what buyers actually need. Remember, successful digital products are tools. They solve real-world problems.
Moving right along to Module 2, Building Your First Asset.
Now it's time to put on your startup founder hat. We aren't just writing for fun here. We are engineering a practical problem-solving product. And profitable ideas are literally everywhere. We're talking AI prompt collections for busy marketers, business startup checklists for first-time entrepreneurs, budget planners to help people save money, resume templates to land higher-paying jobs, or even coding cheat sheets for web developers. These aren't just random ideas. They represent incredibly diverse career and side hustle opportunities. You just need to identify which problem you are best equipped to solve.
Once you have your winning idea, you need a professional system. Top-tier creators don't just wing it. They use a standard operating procedure to systematize their workflows, and this brilliantly illustrates a reliable 5-step machine. 1. Research your market to validate demand. 2. Plan your content with a robust outline. 3. Produce and design high-value material. 4. Do your QA, quality assurance, to check all your links and formatting. And finally, 5. Hit publish. Following this architecture completely removes the guesswork and, honestly, makes you look like an industry expert immediately.
Next up is Module 3, the perfect product launch.
So you've got a high-value PDF, you've followed the creator SOP, but how do you actually get people to hit that buy button on day one? Well, here is your stress-free, highly organized launch day plan. In the morning, you publish your product and test the checkout and download links yourself. By midday, that's when you announce it to your network. And make sure you focus on the outcomes your PDF delivers, not just the features. In the afternoon, you shift gears to customer support, answering questions, sharing early feedback. And in the evening, you review your sales data and fix any minor issues. Being this methodical turns what is usually a chaotic day into a totally predictable success.
Now take a look at this number 100. Here is a foundational mindset shift for you. 100 satisfied customers are vastly more valuable to your business than 10,000 uninterested social media followers. It's true. If you treat these first 100 buyers like absolute VIPs, listening to their feedback, answering their questions, they will become your organic referral engine. They'll promote your work for you, and they will gladly buy whatever you put out next.
Which brings us to Module 4, Zero-Cost Marketing Strategies. Listen, you absolutely do not need a massive advertising budget to thrive in the modern digital landscape. Long-term organic growth is the real key to lasting wealth. And the core of this organic strategy? It's the lead magnet. Basically, this is a free resource like a mini guide, a template, or a checklist that solves one highly specific problem and encourages people to join your email list. Why is this so incredibly vital? Because while social media algorithms control your visibility and can literally change overnight, you entirely own your email list. It is an unshakable, direct line to your future customers.
So once someone actually joins your list to get that free resource, they enter an automated welcome email sequence. Step 1, you deliver the promised resource. Step 2, you share your personal story to build a real human connection. Step 3, teach them a valuable lesson completely for free. Step 4, now you introduce your premium PDF. And finally, Step 5, you answer common objections, like whether it's beginner-friendly. This step-by-step workflow builds immense authority and trust before you ever even ask for a single dollar.
And finally, we arrive at Module 5, Scaling with AI Automation.
Now that you have the foundation built, we need to future-proof your business using smart tools. AI integrates perfectly into a modern creator's workflow. You can use it to quickly summarize broad research topics, generate structural outlines, draft your FAQs, brainstorm visual cover concepts, or even draft your launch day social media posts. Doing this accelerates your production massively. But a quick professional warning here. You must always maintain your unique human quality. Let AI do the heavy lifting for speed, for sure, but rely on your own expertise for fact-checking, nuance, and your actual personality.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how a single PDF transforms into a multi-tiered, highly profitable business. We call this the product ladder. You start with a free checklist to capture leads, then an entry-level $5 to $15 PDF for your new buyers. Next up, you offer a core product, like a $20 to $50 comprehensive workbook. And finally, a premium tier, like $75 plus implementation templates. This structure maximizes your average order value. You aren't just selling a PDF anymore. You are guiding a customer on a journey of continuous scalable value. And that builds directly into a practical 90-day scaling roadmap. This empowers you to execute a clear, long-term business strategy way beyond that initial launch excitement. Month 1 is completely focused on publishing your PDF and starting that all-important email list. Month 2 is for gathering real-world customer feedback and making targeted improvements to your product page. And month 3? That's when you scale by launching a second product or a bundled package. Growth becomes totally predictable when you follow a system exactly like this.
Create once, sell forever. So the crucial point here is that you are building assets, not just trading your time for an hourly wage. You're front-loading your effort, packaging your intelligence, and creating a digital product that can generate income for you while you sleep, month after month, year after year. Guys, that is the true power of the digital knowledge economy.
Your knowledge is a product. So, what problem will you solve today? You now have the complete blueprint. You understand the systems, the marketing, and the scaling strategies. You are future-ready and completely equipped to immediately take action on Gumroad. The digital economy is quite literally waiting for your unique expertise. Don't wait around for everything to be perfect. Get out there, start building, and create your very first digital asset.